Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to the FGC. Today in this video, I just want to unbox these shoes. This is one pair of shoes, and this is another pair of shoes, and one pair of chappals. And these are the ortho chappals, which are under 200 rupees. Okay, and the second is these are from the HRX by Hrithik Roshan brand. This is running shoes. Okay, and these are running shoes from the campus brand. So first I'm going to open this HRX by Hrithik. So this I purchased from Flipkart and under 900 rupees. So I'll be showing you that. Yeah, see, these are the pair of shoes, Hrithik wear running shoes for women. Okay, and the size is of 6. Okay, let us now unbox. So when I open the package, and remember, these are the running shoes. Okay, so you can use it for walking and both running. That flexibility you'll have. And is there anything on the box? Nothing else. So I'll keep the box aside. What I'll do is, yeah, I'll be just opening this cover. Yeah, even though these are 6, size number 6, they are looking a bit bigger, and the build quality is pretty good. See here the sole. If you can see, I'm pressing it here. The sole is smooth enough. That's what I want to check here. Okay, and this inner sole also, if you can see, I'm just pressing it right. Maybe I can do a close up here. Can you see my finger here? This is getting a little bit of cushion here. Okay, the sole comfort is also good, and under the budget of 900 rupees, yeah, decently good. Build quality is average, I can say. And coming to the stylish looks, I feel not that stylish looks. Okay for daily walking or running, and the sole comfort is good. That's what I can say by having real time experience touching this. Okay, let me just open this one also. Yes, these are of lace type, and there are very different color combinations available actually. I just want to show you this also. See, these are all the colors available, and this is especially size number 6, and this got 4.1 rating on the Flipkart. Yeah, suitable for sports, it is mentioned, and there has the breathable mesh here at the top. See here, this got some air ventilation breathable mesh here, here and here. Okay, yeah, maybe once the user uses this for the daily walking, the user has purchased this for the walking. Okay, not for running. And this is for the women, ideal for women. Color, they choose the white. Okay, if you want review video or the real user experience video of these shoes for women from HRX by Hrithik, you can just ask in the comments regarding how good are these shoes for running or walking. Running I can't say, because the user will be using this for the walking purpose, so I can post another video on that. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.